Guys, I spotted a snake in Wadi Ar'ar. Wow, see, he's hiding. Good morning, guys. We are in Wadi Arar, Ras-al-khaimah. Well, came with Greenway Adventures, and here is Hazel heading. And hi, Hazel. Yes, Hazel.
Good morning, Zara. Hi,
Yeah.
guys.
Good morning.
Today is Saturday.
Wow. And wow. So today we are in Wadi Arar, right?
Yes.
Wadi Arar, Ras-al-khaimah. Yeah.
And we will explore the pool in the water.
Sure. Ready. The mountains are talking with the clouds. Awesome weather. Well, everywhere you can see there is a water stream, and it makes the morning more pleasant with its sound. Hazel, how's the view? Are you enjoying? Are you excited to be here? Wow. Yeah. So guys, these are the pools where we will come back the same way, and we'll swim in this water with this view. Alright, so Mr. Nasser, how are you feeling on the top of a mountain, Wadi Arar?
It's so good, so nice.
Wow,
Easy.
it's breezy right here.
See the mountains over there.
Yeah, everywhere you can view the mountains, and here are our two climbers. What's your name, bro?
My name is Faisal. I'm from India.
Faisal from India and Hazel from It's More Fun in the Philippines.
Wow!
She is staying there as we need to go back in the same direction. It looks so scary standing over here because I'm just standing on the edge. Wow. Hazel is heading on the top. Wow. Watch your steps. Hazel, are you excited to be on the top?
Yeah, I'm here in 1 second.
Oh, wow.
I'm here.
Guys, we already submitted the mountain, Wadi Arar South
You
Ras-al-khaimah,
can share this one.
and having some breakfast on the top of mountain. Nasser is over here, our leader from Greenway Adventures, and after our breakfast we will be heading this way down. It looks so scary, but we have to. Wadi Arar Ras-al-khaimah, so here I'm heading to the pools. Wow, it's a bit slippery. So amazing. The water is
That water is okay. It's a nice water.
Guys, I spotted a snake in Wadi Ar'ar. Wow, see, he's hiding. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Come buddy, up, come.